We're doing 2 exercises back to back and we have a 10 seconds break. Let's get started. First exercise is leg raise clap. Lower your legs up slowly and lift them back up, then crunch up and clap your hands. Make sure your back is flat on the ground when you lower your legs down, as you don't want to injure your back. No rest time here guys, you're going straight into a reverse crunch. Move your hips off the ground using your core muscles. Make sure you're engaging your core here. We have a 10 seconds break and the next exercise is cross-body mountain climbers. Bring your knees as close as possible to the opposite elbow and tighten up that core. Now get ready to jump into Spider-Man crunches. Bring one leg to the side, driving it towards your elbow. Next up, we have Russian twists. Very slow. My abs are burning at this point. We're going to jump straight into in and outs. Forgive me guys, but I'm really killing you here. Breathe in as you extend your legs and breathe out as you bring your legs in and squeeze that core.
The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And
next up, we have planks with hip dips. This exercise is really great for your obliques. And now we're moving into plank jacks. Straight away, make sure you keep your core engaged. Let's all might this. Let's go.
finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest, echoing around these walls, fighting
Another quick rest and we have hundreds. Bring your legs off the ground. You can have your knees bent or straight. Start pumping your arms up and down. If you need to take a little break, it is a-okay. Get ready for crunches next. Squeeze those abs, guys. We are more than halfway through. You can do this.
Turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon. Turn us to thousands, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Next up, we have up and down planks. I don't have to tell you this. Tighten that core and avoid poking your butt up. Now get ready into a plank position. Core is tight and glutes are engaged and tucked in. We have a little break and heel touches is next. Touch your heels with your hands. Really great for your obliques as well.
In the sky, gazing far into the night, I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true.
Straight away, we have bicycle crunches. I know it's tough, but we are almost there. Keep going.
It's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through for you, for you, for you, for you, for
Rest up and we have reverse crunches with leg extension next. Again, make sure you're using your core muscles to lift your hips up. Now get ready for straight leg crunches. Do a couple of pump pulses at the top. The last exercise we have to do for today is up and down planks. Let's finish this with a bang. You can do it. That's the workout. I hope you enjoyed it. Please smash that thumbs up button, subscribe and turn on notifications so that we don't miss out on new workouts. Stay blessed, stay fit, stay healthy. Peace.